Hello and welcome to Quantum IAS. This video is basically for the Foundation Batch 2.0 for Physics Optional for UPSC CSE 24. So students who are aspiring to give Mains 24 with Physics as optional in UPSC, this is for them. So first of all, what this Foundation Batch is all about, right? And why I have given this as 2.0, what this 2.0 is all about. So 2 is all about the updated content, right? So what all updation is there? So initially when we have started the course, we have recorded the course and all past all 2 years, we are using that content for our courses, right? So this is basically the updated version of the course. And in this, we have incorporated all those things that we have learned from the past toppers, past experiences, right? So this 2.0 is the updated version and it contains everything that is required for your preparation, right? We will see one by one what all the things we have incorporated in this 2.0, right? First of all, who should take this course? So anyone who is willing to give at least 4 to 5 hours daily for physics optional only, right? For the 6 month can take this course, right? This is the first disclaimer that I am putting it here, that physics optional, everyone know that it is static, it is scoring, it is interesting, everything is there, right? But you need to put your hard work here. So if you are not going to put your hard work here, this video is not for you, this course is not for you. You have to give your 100%. Then we will apply our course and our strategy to make you success, right? So the next part, what all the features are. The first feature is the live and interactive classes. All classes, right? Not 70%, 80%. Every classes will be conducted in the live mode and it will be interactive. Interactive means it will be using the Zoom platform on our app and website. So you can ask question in chat mode as well as you can also ask question in the audio mode, right? All the classes will be from basics and it cover mathematical tools also. What does it mean? Basics means that if you have covered your 11th and 12th knowledge, so above it, everything will be covered by us, right? Even if you don't know the basic mathematical tool like vector calculus, right? That will be taught in the class itself, whatever is required for this course, right? Second thing, this all classes there, here, every topic, right? We are not leaving any topic, any subtopic, any subtopic for this course, right? This year we are going to cover each and every possible topic that can be asked in the examination. Even the course coverage will be expanded this year, right? Even the solid state devices, electronics, everything we will covering, right? We are not letting go any of the topic, how great that topic is, how tough or easy that topic is. We are going to cover it holistically, right? Now, next thing is 2000 plus numerical and PYQ. We are going to solve this year, right? So this year, we are going to solve 2000 plus numericals. What we are facing that in paper one, mostly all the questions are of numerical type. And students have the tendency to learn the theoretical part, do the derivation and skip that subject, right? But this year we are incorporating 2000 plus numerical, right? Also last 15 years PYQ will be solved, plus last 30 years important question of the PYQ will be included in that, right? So whatever the questions are there, you can check last 15-year question, right? We are going to solve every question, right? And from 2013 we will be giving model answer to every question. We're not just solving that question, we will be providing the model answer to that. What should be written in the introduction, what should be written in the conclusion, what should be the presentation part, how the structure will be there, right? So from 2013, it will be there. How you can check that? We are not providing you any, we are providing you assignment. We will be providing you handouts. We will be providing you the PYQ questions, right? But what I suggest, for the credibility part, you can buy the PYQ compilation from the market. That would hardly cost you 80 to 100 rupees, and you can just tick mark every question that whether we have covered in the class or not, right? So we will be covering each and every question from 2013 in the model answer format. That is for sure, right? Now, apart from that, 800 questions will be answer writing practice, means that we will be covering the complete part, intro to conclusion, not only the derivation part, not only the mathematical solution part, everything will be covered. 800 questions we are going to practice here, right? Most of the question will be practiced in the live mode, where you can interact. We can talk about how the introduction will be, how the conclusion will be, right? How to write the physical significance of some concept, how to explain. Let's say, what does it mean if force is given 10 to the power 5 Newton, and if force is given 10 to the power minus 5 Newton? How to write different conclusion for these things, right? If you are given V is equals to, let's say, x cube by 3, right? And V is equals to x 4, right? Something, any equation, sort of equation. So how to deal with the conclusion part, how to make graph for these part, everything will be covered here, right? So this is regarding the answer practice, everything, right? Apart from this, revision will be also included in your courses, right? For example, this year for 23, we are starting our Quantum Yodha, right? In Quantum Yodha, it is a crash course come test series for the CSE 23, right? So this will be also included in your course when 8 times come, right? So this is not I am committing right now, but I am trying to give you this thing, right? That the revision module will be also there. Next one more thing that we are incorporating this year, that is daily practice paper, right? So what will be given after each and every class, right? Earlier, what we used to do, we used to give the list of the questions, right? Questions sheet we uploaded. But what happened when tutorial sheet or the question sheet or the examples sheet or the illustration sheet is uploaded? Some people do it, some people leave it, right? It is on their wish, but here it will be daily accountability of the questions, right? So daily questions will be provided, in which some question will be of just solving in nature, that you need to just practice that question and come to the next class. Some you will be having DPT, daily practice test, right? So every day 2 to 3 questions will be there, in which you have to write the answer in the question answer format, in the examination format. That means you have to write the proper introduction, conclusion, everything, right? So for example, this is one DPT. Some question will be here just for practicing, and some question will be in the test format. Here it will be question, here the space will be given for writing your answer, and this question will be again explained in the next class, and there I will tell you to self-evaluate your answer, how to self-evaluate your answer, right? Because see, one type of evaluation is done by the faculty or the mentor, and the second type of evaluation is done by you guys, right? So when you evaluate your answer, it will give you the best result, right? So this will be done on every class. You will be writing 2 to 3 questions, and we will be giving you the model answer, right? Next one is mentorship and hand holding support. Last year we were giving the mentorship, but here I have written hand holding support also. What does it means? Earlier, when we are giving the mentorship support, it is from your end. Whenever you want to discuss anything with me, I will be available for discussing that, right? When you want to ask any question from me, I will be available, whether it is academic or non-academic. So if you have any doubt, if you are not able to solve any question, I was able available every time. Last year also, this year also, I will be also available every time when you give me a message. Not every time, that means within 24 hours I will be solving all of your doubt. That is for sure, whether in the class or after the class. That is for sure. Hand holding support here means that this year I will be checking your performance as well, right? I am making a Excel sheet, and in which I am writing the student name, and I am tracking their performance, how many classes they have attended, have they have understood this concept or not, have they have solved this assignment or not, right? Everything of your progress will be tracked by me online, right? And you can also review that. Okay. Second, there will be compulsory mentorship session, right? I will be calling you and you have to pick up the phone and discuss everything with me, right? So there will be compulsory mentorship session here. You cannot escape it, right? So first thing, there will be, I will be little bit more stricter than the earlier, but it will help you guys to maintain the schedule and the consistency, right? That is very important for this examination. Okay. Next thing, year-long course tests, right? So this will be complete year. You will be having test series or practice session, right? So for every week you will be having test, every 15 days you will having test, every month you will having test, right? So whatever is taught in the classes, you will be having test, and based on the test you will be evaluated. Your copy will be evaluated, right? This will be evaluated. This will be evaluated by me. I will be going to evaluate it, and based on this you will improve your answer writing quality, right? So no need to search anything for the thesis, everything will be included here, right? Next thing is handout and updated material. See, one thing is very sure, that none of the material or coaching institute, any of the supplementary things can replace a book. You can understand it, right? Even in GS also, you cannot replace any book with the student, any coaching materials, but coaching material can give you the 99% of the result from that book, right? So it will be saving your effort. So what I have done here, that I will be teaching you everything in the class, right? Every derivation, every topic will be discussed in great detail in the class. But apart from that, student needs some material to refer, something to refer. For example, let's say I have taught particle in a box. It is a concept in quantum mechanics. So I have taught one concept. So what are the definition involved? What are the applications involved? What are the things that you need to study from different books, different materials, different websites from the internet, that will be incorporated in this handout. So earlier we used to give handout for particular topics, right? That I find that is difficult, or student want that topic, I was providing earlier, right? This year I am going to give handout for each and every topic. Each and every topic you will be giving the handout. Also, the class notes will be updated to you, right? One more thing, I always recommend people or student to make your own notes. But if you have any problem in making notes, or if you don't know how to make the notes, or if you have any inconsistency in making notes, I am going to provide you the notes, right? That can be treated as the reference note. From that, you should make your own note, right? Understand this thing, right? You have to make your own notes, but if your note making taking too much time, you can refer to the note that is provided by us, right? So these all are the features that is included in your course. One last thing that I should mention here in this feature list, that this is the one course that have everything, right? So the next question, how holistic and comprehensive is this course? I am saying that it contains everything that is needed. I am assuring you, right? You can talk to our any student from the past. They will give you this feedback only, that whatever the best we can give, Quantum can give, we are giving it, right? So there is no FOMO involved, right? What coaching institution does, and we are a part of that, that we launch several courses. We have launched NGP, numerical guidance program. We have launched daily answer writing practice. These courses are launched by us only, right? For different category of student, for different need, right? But what we have done, we have included in foundation batch. So it doesn't mean that if you're joining the foundation batch, you need not to join any of the course that is available on our platform, right? For example, Quantum Yodha. It is a crash course. We have not planned it earlier. Class course plus test series. We have not planned the crash course earlier for the 23. But due to the need of the student, we are planning the crash course for the physics optional for 23, right? And this is also included in foundation batch. So people who have bought foundation batch for 23, right? I have not given this crash course at that time. It was not the part of that program, but just because I have launched it for 23, I am including in the foundation batch who have enrolled for 23, right? So this is basically the no FOMO in the market, no fear of missing out anything, right? Everything, and I am guaranteeing you here also, whatever the course is launched for 24, right? Obviously, your course is in the online mode, so I cannot change you the mode of online. Here also, it is for online and offline both, Quantum Yodha. So whatever your mode is, for example, for CSE 24, this foundation batch is in online mode, right? So I am guaranteeing you in this video that whatever we launch for CSE 24 will be included in your course, right? So there will be no FOMO, right? Let's say a 10K course, for example, this crash course is for 10K, and earlier the fee was 20K. So this 10K course is included in that course also, right? One NGP cost was 1.5K, right? So we're not charging anything extra for your course. That means the fee of your program is 25K. I will discuss also. So if you are putting this money, you can rely on us that whatever we will be planning, that will be included in your course. So this is how holistic and comprehensive is this course. That apart from this course, you need not to do anything. If you follow it 100%, I can guarantee you the 300 plus marks, right? For example, Ankur this year, he got 295 marks. And I will be showing you his copy also. I will be showing Shubham's copies also, one or two more rankers also from previous year also. I will be showing their copies also, and you can understand how to write the answer and how to do the things, right? So whatever we have provided for these students, we are going to provide you extra so that you can cross the barrier of 300 marks, right? That is for sure. And also this year we have to increase our result and performance in physics optional student, right? I want result, right? And so do you, right? So there will be no any mismatch between the aspiration of you and mine, okay? That is for sure. Now, what is the prerequisite? So some student tells that I have a great interest in physics, but I have not studied physics for last 4 to 5 years. I have not studied physics in the college, right? Whatever the reason, I have will not be studying the physics for last few years, right? So what is the prerequisite for the course? So it is, if you are good in 11th, 12th physics and mathematics, right? That is, it is the prerequisite, right? If you have missed your college, no problem. Why? Because we are providing you mathematical tools. This year we are going to give you the mathematical tools. You need not to see earlier what you used to do. I refer to some videos on YouTube to watch this video and prepare your mathematical tools and prepare for this course, right? And what we are doing this year, we are bridging all the gap. That is, this is from 11th, 12th to UPSC. So we are bridging this gap using the mathematical tools, right? So for example, in mechanics, we are devoting 2 complete lectures for this mathematical tool only. and we will be enabling you guys to understand each and every concept, whatever the mathematics is involved, and each and every numerical that is asked in the UPSC, you will be solving 100%. That is for sure, right? So if you're good in 11th and 12th physics and mathematics, and if you have interest in the physics, and if you are able to put your hard work is the key factor here, right? We can help you in all sense then, right? Now, what is the medium of the course? This medium of this course will be in English, but you can ask your doubt in English also, Hindi also, right? I will be answering doubt in Hindi also, right? So medium is primarily English. Validity till your mains 24, right? So till your mains, the course will be valid. The platform will be our app and website. So if you are using Android devices, you should be using our app, because app will have a greater notification facility. Otherwise, you can use website also, right? Duration. See, duration is 6 to 7 months. That means for your course is starting from 5th June. And it will be end by December this year, right? So this is the duration. But what we will do after December? So after December, we will be having regular revision and practice. I will be giving you some month for preparing for the prelims also, but we will be having a rigorous revision and practice till your mains, right? What is the fee? I have already given you. It is 25,000, right? It is including all. So 25,000 is the fee. What is the schedule and the timing? So from Monday to Friday, and you will be having 4 to 5 classes per week, and it will be conducted in live mode, all the live. And after the live, we will provide you the recorded format also, right? One more thing, we are starting with the mechanics, because I'm recording video now, and before recording this video, we have a certain amount of admission, and most of them want to start from the mechanics. That's why we are starting from the mechanics, right? Monday to Friday live, it will be 4 to 5 classes a week. It will be there. Initially, we will be having 4 classes, and then we will be shifting the classes to 5 classes, right? The timings will be 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. so that working professional can also avail this course. So this will be the timing, 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. One more thing, this course is in only online mode. Why I am giving you these things? Because this year we are coming offline also for few courses, right? For example, Quantum Yodha, it will be a crash course plus test series for CSE 23. That will be in offline as well as online mode. So earlier we are only in the online mode. This year we are coming in offline mode also. But your course, this foundation course, will be in online mode only, right? After the prelims, right? After the prelims, you can give the test, or if you will planning any crash course for that year, you can come and do it offline also at no additional cost. But till December or till January, February, your course will be mostly in online mode, right? We are not supporting offline mode for your course. Now, how to enroll? So for enrollment, you can contact 8527 891847, right? Try to do WhatsApp or Telegram. You can call also, but avoid calling. Why? Because I am the only one who is handling these numbers, right? So you know that I have to make assignment for you guys. I have to prepare a lot of the material for you guys, because your batches are starting from 5th June. From 26th June, I have another batches, right? So for the batches, I have to prepare a lot, and also I have to study for you guys to update everything. So I have a time crunch. So try to give WhatsApp and Telegram, right? Avoid calling. If you want to call, you can ask and call, right? If you still want to call, you can call. Whenever I get the time, I will be reverting back, right? So just you send your name, your number, your email ID and state that you want to enroll in this course to that number. That is sufficient. From there, we can talk there. Okay. Okay. So thank you for listening so patiently, right? And one thing at last, I want to tell you guys that this course is the best version that we can create in last 2 to 2.5 years, right? We have studied, we have learned, we have experimented a lot of things, we have incorporated feedback from various toppers, right? And we have then created this course, right? So this course that we are giving you guys is at its best, that I can assure you, right? If you want, still you are confused and you want any demo classes, so they are available. You need to just contact us. You can also watch the previous YouTube videos for the demo classes. But if you are still unsatisfied with those things, if you want the newer classes, demo classes, they are available. Just contact us. We will be providing you the link to watch that lecture, right? So thank you everyone for listening to us. Thank you. Have a nice day.